Your company structure is unique to you, so wouldn't it be nice to have a tool that reflects it in its entirety? With Vacation Tracker's latest update, you can now easily define and organize your departments however you see fit, clearly indicating the relationships that they have to each other, but also minimizing any confusion your employees might have. Hey, Dave from Vacation Tracker here, and in today's super short video, I'm going to walk you through the steps you can take to create multiple levels for your departments. To start, log into your Vacation Tracker account and navigate to the left-hand menu. When you click on the settings section, it's going to open up and then you can click on departments, which will take you to this page here. Now, as you can see, you have the ability to create these nested departments that will really outline and define your org structure for either current or better yet, new employees. Let's use HR as our example, and let's say that we want to add payroll, which traditionally does fall under HR in many organizations. What we're going to do is click on Create New Department, and then we're going to fill out the information for the payroll department. So we're going to label it as payroll, we're going to put the appropriate users from payroll, and of course an approver for payroll. Now here comes the most important step, choosing that parent department. Again, because we want to fall under HR, we're going to select HR. Now before I click on Create Department, I will make a note that you have this option here of making it a department default. As the tooltip indicates, what this does is essentially makes this department default for any new member that gets added to the space. Not relevant for our example, so we're not going to check it off. Once we click on Create Department, we'll be taken back to the departments page, and as you can see, payroll now falls under HR when it comes to the departments. Now there are a few important details we need to cover when it comes to these so-called subdepartments. Starting with, how many levels can you create? Well, with the core plan, you are limited to one additional level of depth, meaning that you can only create your main department and then the following subdepartment. But with the complete plan, you have 4 additional levels of depth you can use to create your organization. Another thing you're probably wondering is how many subdepartments can I create in total? Well, again, on the complete plan, you are limited to 10 departments, and that number does include these subdepartments. But with the complete plan, you have an unlimited amount of departments and subdepartments that you can create. Another special thing I do want to point out is that even though visually it looks like these two departments are related and depend on each other, they do in fact operate as separate entities. What that means is essentially each department or subdepartment would require its own set of users and approver. This functionality here is really only here to help visually when it comes to your organization. The last point I'm going to mention is that when it comes to reporting or filtering. Let's say, for example, we want to pull a wall chart and look at a specific subdepartment. You would need to filter by department, and then again scroll down until you find the subdepartment in question. And then you'll be able to have the filter applied. And now you're well on your way to recreating your organizational structure within Vacation Tracker. Thanks again for watching this video. We hope we found it helpful, but if you have any suggestions on any features we should cover next, just let us know. As always, we do appreciate if you can share this video, like, comment, subscribe. Any sort of interaction helps us a lot. And if ever you do get stuck with Vacation Tracker, do be sure to reach out to our incredible support team. Happy vacationing!